Shepherd's pie is usually made with lamb, but that's not my favorite meat. So I use 93% lean ground beef. In a good-sized skillet, I browned 1.5 pounds of meat, a medium chopped onion, clove of garlic. Cooked that until the onions were done, and then took a paper towel and mopped up the grease out of the pan. I got the meat mixture done. Put 2 2/3 cups of frozen vegetables in there, some thyme, a little pepper. In a mixing cup, 1 cup of water with 2 packages of herb ox beef bouillon, no sodium. 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1 cup of burgundy wine. 2 things I like to cook with wine: shepherd's pie and spaghetti sauce. Once all this gets in your skillet, put a lid on it and let it simmer a little while and do a taste test. See if you want a little more thyme, a little more pepper, a little more garlic. I had to add another clove of garlic. Sometimes it's just stronger than other times. It thickened up a little bit. Greased my casserole pan, and I've got 4 mashed potatoes. If you have leftover mashed potatoes, you can use those as well. I like to start on the edge and just kind of put them in here. When the meat and the vegetables get kind of covered with the potatoes, I'm going to take my spoon and make little peaks in it. My oven's set for 400 degrees. Pop this in there 20 or 30 minutes until those potatoes get nice and brown on the top. When you take it out of the oven, it needs to rest for another 15 minutes before it's served. Gives us plenty of time to clean up that kitchen before we sit down and eat. I just hate to eat and get up and have a messy kitchen. I kind of forgot this step. When you put the potatoes on the top, take a spoon and run it around the edge to seal it against the side of the pan. And then make your peaks. I don't know if you can see this. It's got a lot of little peaks on it. Going in the oven. Show you what it looks like in about 20-25 minutes. And here is our finished product. 490 milligrams of sodium for the whole pan. If we just get 6 slices out of there, folks are going to have to be mighty hungry. And each one will be 82 milligrams of sodium. It looks beautiful, tastes good, and is low sodium.